Welcome everybody, how are you? Today we will solve a lot of questions without using calculator. Okay. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. If the expression x power 2 plus kx plus 1 over 4 is a perfect square, is a k equal space. We know k is the median. If we want to find the median term about perfect square, we must find positive or negative 2 square root of the first x power 2 multiply square root of the third. It will be 1 over 4. So the result will be positive or negative. X power 2 will be x and 1 over 4 it will be 2. We can cancel 2 with 2, then the result will be positive or negative 1. Okay, k will be positive or negative 1. It's coefficient of x. Question number 2, if x plus y equal 2, x plus y equal 2 and x power 2 subtract y power 2 equal 10, then y minus x equal. We can factorize this expression, x power 2 subtract y power 2, x minus y multiply x plus y. He give us x power 2 subtract y power 2 equal 10. Then x plus 2y equal 2 multiply by 5 equal 10. Then x subtract y equal 5. But he want to find y minus x. We must change the sign here. It will be negative 5. Because he changed sign or multiply negative to all the term about expression. Question number 3. If a multiply c plus d in brackets subtract b multiply c plus d in brackets equal 12 and c plus d equal 4, then e subtract b equal space. We can factorize this expression. Look at with me here. We can write c plus d, hide common factor between two terms, and the result will be a subtract b. It will be equal 12, and c plus d was 4. He give us c plus d equal 4. Then 4 multiply 3 equal 12. Then a subtract b equal 3. Write 3 here. Question number 4. If x power 2 plus y power 2 equals 7 and x plus y equal 3, then x subtract y equal space. We know x subtract y. You want to find x subtract y. We know x subtract y equal power 2 equal x power 2 plus y power 2 subtract 2xy. Okay, you want to find x subtract y. So in this example, we will put x power 2 plus y power 2 7. It will be 7. Okay, subtract 2 product x subtract y. X multiply y equal 3. 2 multiply 3, then the result will be 7 subtract 6 equal 1. Then x subtract y power 2 equal 1. So x subtract y equal square root of 1. It will be positive or negative 1. Question number 5. Ex subtract cx subtract cy plus ay equal x plus y multiply space. We can factorize this expression. Ax subtract cx subtract cy plus ay. We can factorize this expression. We have 4 terms. We can replace ax with ay, or we can write x outside between 2 terms here. The result will be a subtract c. And the result here, negative outside, we can write our y outside here, common factor between 2 terms, and the result will be c negative a, because we change the sign here. Negative times negative equal positive. So the result will be what? We know c subtract a, and it was a subtract c. We must change the sign here. It will be x multiply a subtract c plus y multiply positive. It will be, we'll move here, negative times negative equal positive, and negative times positive equal negative. Then a subtract c, we can write height common factor between them. It's coefficient about 0 to 2 term. The result will be x plus y. Okay, this expression equal e subtract c multiply x plus y. So in this example you want to find the result x plus y. We must write here x plus y and e subtract c. We must write here e subtract c. Okay, e subtract c. Question number 6. If x plus y equal 3 and a plus b equal 5, then ax plus ay plus bx plus by equal. We can factorize this expression in your notebook. In this two term, write a common factor between two terms. The result will be x plus y plus, we can write b outside about two terms. The result will be x plus y, and write x plus y outside between two terms. We can write height common factor between two terms, x plus y, and the result will be a plus b. We know x plus y equal 3 multiply a plus b equal 5. 3 times 5 equal what? Equal 15. The result will be 15. Question number 7. If a multiply x plus y, a multiply x plus y subtract b multiply x plus y equal 15, and x plus y equal 5, then a subtract b equal. We can factorize this expression by write x plus y outside height common factor between two terms. Okay, right here ax plus y subtract b multiply x plus y equal 15. It's okay, we can complete here, write x plus y outside. The result will be a subtract b equal 50, and we have the result about x plus y equal 5. 5 multiply 3 equal 15, so the result will be 3. A subtract b will be 3. Question 8. If the expression x power 2 plus 7x plus b can be factorized, then be equal. Can be factorized. So we can write here what? 2 digit multiply of them equal 6, and the sum of them equal 7. Okay, b will be 6. It's easy or not? Again, x power 2 plus 7x plus 6. We can factorize it. X multiply x, 1 times 6 equals 6, and if we add them, the result will be 7. Factorize each is the following completely. 8x power 2, letter number 1, 8x power 2 or 4 plus 27 xy power 3. We can write height common factor between two terms. 8x power 2 plus 27xy power 3. We know x, and it was x power 4. We can write x outside here. The result will be 8x power 3 plus 27y power 3. We can write x outside and factorize the expression. 8x power 3, it will be 2x, and cube root of 27y power 3 equals 3y. 2x power 2 equal 4x power 2. 3y will be 9y power 2 positive, and we can write negative here. 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 equals 6 xy. It's a factorize about the expression. We must change the sign between them and write 2x multiply 3y inverse the sign here. And question number 2. X power 3 subtract x power 2 plus x subtract 1. In this example we can factorize it. We have 4 terms, so we can write x power 2 outside about 2 terms. The result will be x subtract 1 plus x subtract 1. Okay, and we can complete x subtract 1 outside. The result will be x power 2 plus 1. It's okay. The result will be x subtract 1 multiply x power 2 plus 1. We have a lot of another step. We can solve it by another step here. Question 2, I will solve it again. Another step, okay, another method. It's another method about this expression. X power 3 subtract x power 2 plus x subtract 1. We can write x power 3 subtract 1 with us in brackets, and we can write negative here, x power 2 subtract x. We can change the sign here because negative times negative equal positive, and factorize it. X subtract 1 multiply x power 2 plus 1 plus x subtract. We can change this expression by write x outside and x subtract 1 inside. We know this expression was repeated. We can write it outside, x subtract 1 here, and the result will be x power 2 plus x plus 1 subtract x, and we can cancel x with x, so the result is the same result about first method, x power 2 plus 1. Okay, if you solve about this method, is it true, or this method is it true, as you like. Okay. Question number 3. A power 2 plus 4ap plus 4p power 2 subtract 9c power 2. What about this expression? We know this expression is perfect square because the median will be 2 square root of first and times the square root of the third. So we can change this expression about factorize perfect square, right? 2 here power 2 and square root of a power 2 equal a plus square root of 4p power 2 equal to b subtract 9c power 2 equal 3c power 2, and we can factorize it here. A plus 2b subtract negative and positive 3c and 3c. It's okay. About this example we must know this noted. Okay, it was perfect square. And what about question number 4? X power 2 subtract y power 2 subtract 2x plus 2y. Look at this expression, x power 2 subtract y power 2. We can factorize x power 2 subtract y power 2 subtract 2x subtract 2y. Because we write negative outside here, we must change the sign. So we can factorize it, x subtract y multiply x plus y subtract. We can write 2 outside about this expression. The result will be x subtract y, and x subtract y was repeated about 2 terms. We have 2 terms here, it's the first and second, and write x subtract y outside here. The result will be x plus y minus 2. Okay, what about question number 7? Number 1 here, it was a perfect square, so we can write square root of the first. The result will be 7.3 plus square root of the third, it will be 2.7 all power 2. 7 plus 3 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 3 plus 7 equal 10. The result will be 10. 10 power 2 equal 100. And what about 99 power 2 subtract 1? It's a difference between 2 terms, difference is square. We can write 99 subtract 1 multiply 99 plus 1. The result will be what? 98 multiply 100. 98 and write behind them double 0. Okay, my students, we are finished about this question in this page. In the next video we will solve a lot of questions about factorizing. Okay, we must pay attention about this, students, and study hard to be genius in mathematics. Okay, thank you, goodbye.